Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday, bite-sized professional learning you can implement right away. Today, we're talking Microsoft Word accessibility tools. We are going to look at the dictate option. Have you ever wondered how to type without actually typing? Well, you're in luck. We're going to go through how you can use speech to text through the dictate application. So when you're in your Word document, you'll just click on the dictate icon right here in the top right corner. Then as you speak, the computer listens and it types all of the words that you are saying. When you come to the end of a sentence, you can say period, and it will add a period. When you're ready for a new paragraph, as you can see, I clicked on something else on a different screen and it stopped recording. It stopped doing the speech to text. So if that happens, you just come down here and you tap the microphone to resume your recording, your speech to text. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I can see where I left off right here after you're ready. As I was saying, when you're ready for a new paragraph, you just say new paragraph and it will start you a new paragraph. Now, another option here for students is to type a paper this way. If they have difficulty writing by hand or typing, they can use the dictate option to create their story, write their papers, and all they have to do is click the microphone. It was a long, lonely night as Milo and I wandered the streets under the cover of night, looking for clues to who grabbed the bone. Period. As we made our way through the streets, I wondered, would we find what we were looking for, or would we find something else? Period. When you're done, you press that microphone, and it will stop doing speech to text. And you can see there is a grammar issue here. So you can come and click on that and it will give you the option. So students can also use these grammar options as they are doing that speech to text. Click on it and it will fix it. You can see there's another one here. If I click on that, it's going to tell me that it thinks I should have a comma there. If that's the case, go ahead and click it and it will add the comma. I can then edit my paper for any other grammar options that the computer thinks I need to address, like this one right here. It wants me to add a comma, but I don't need a comma here, so I'm going to ignore it. But right up here, I see that I have a red squiggly line, which means I have a misspelled word. Or in this case, it didn't put a space in between the two words. And then it will also give options for concise writing. So it's going to say I can just say the word all instead of all of to be more concise. Now, if the student wants to hear it played back for them, they can click on over to the view option at the top, click on immersive reader, and then have it read aloud to them.
The words that you are saying when you come to the end of a sentence you can say. And it will add a period when you're ready, as I was saying when you're ready for a. You just say. And it will start you a. It was a long, lonely night as Milo and I wandered the streets under the cover of night looking for clues to who grabbed the bone. As we made our way through the...
You can pause, you can back up, you can go forward, you can change the settings here to the reading speed that you are comfortable with, and you can change the voice to a male or female voice. If you noticed when it was reading it aloud, it says when you're ready for a, remember I said new paragraph there, so it created a new paragraph, so it doesn't have those words. So in this instance where I'm showing you how it works, it does have those missing words. But if your student was to write their paper, all of the words would be there. And that is Dictate with Microsoft Word. This helps students who have a little trouble putting their thoughts down on paper. It might give them a way to convert their speech into text and get that writing started more easily. Thanks for coming to Tech Tip Tuesday, where learning is the goal and technology is the tool. Have a great day, everyone.